welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. So for today's video, I will be cleaning my front porch, and you guys, it really did need it. Usually around this time we do tend to get a lot of the brown beetles, and we do get a lot of bugs. Now, we do live around a lot of land, so it is a very normal for us to start getting a lot of bugs. It was about that time that I cleaned this porch, so I will be using my leaf blower, and then after that I will be also pressure washing some of this concrete because, like I said, a lot of the bugs were all stuck to the floor. So I really do hope that this gives you the motivation to get up and clean your porch also, or any other place in your home that needs some cleaning. I know with everything that is currently going on, I know, speaking like for me, I have absolutely been having the desire to do nothing. I've been on my PJs and not doing anything, just sitting on my couch, lounging and binge watching on Disney Plus. So as of today, I was like, you know what, I need to get up, I need to feel productive, I need to go outside. And so while I cleaned here, my kids were also playing around in the yard, and it actually felt pretty good to, feel the breeze, feel the sun. So just keep pushing, you guys, and with everything going on, just remember to please stay home, and this will pass very soon. So let's get to cleaning.
We got something magical, pretending that nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical, think that I'm gonna explode, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. Now I feel left to figure out your music and all of my notes, coloring all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so am I. Diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so am I. Diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. If you're ready, so am I. Diving deep into the wild. If you're ready, if you're ready, if you're ready, so am I. Diving deep into the wild. If you're ready. You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. I'm trying to get to know you much better. No matter how much time it takes, I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up. Caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much time it takes. I just can't give up. Whoa, I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. Oh, baby, I just can't give up. I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. We're done now, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time